Hey, hello everyone. Hope you all are doing great. Welcome to Great Unboxing, and we have come back with another unboxing video. As you can see, we have got a huge box with us today. It has just arrived from Amazon India, and you might have already guessed what's inside this mighty box, seeing the title and the clip in the beginning. Yes, you are correct. It's the Philips UV Disinfection System. So let's begin the unboxing and get answers to all your doubts about what's inside the box and how to use it. So you can see over here it's mentioned UV-C Disinfection System. The picture says you can put the edible fruit and vegetables as well as the regular stuff like wallets and mobiles as well. So let's open and see what's inside. So here it is, the Philips UV disinfection system, and it resembles quite like a microwave oven. So let's see what's inside. So we have got the manual over here. So we'll keep it aside, and there is a tray over here. One good thing about the door I noticed is magnetic, so it's quite handy over here. So let's unpack it. So we are all set. The grill is quite steep, as you can see over here, and the design is such that you can keep small items over here and the bigger ones over here. In case you have a tall item, you can keep it in the middle, and make sure you always keep it on top of the grill so that the radiation is even all over. So I've got some items with me. Let's see. Place it. Make sure you keep enough gap between the items. So we'll try with 3 items as of now. Let us power it on. So we have powered it on, and you can see over here there is a preset option of 2, 5 and 8 over here, and over here it's good that they have mentioned it very clearly. If you have a small item, about 2 minutes will be enough. So maybe a mobile phone and 3 minutes will do the trick. About some small vegetables and maybe you have got some takeaway foods or something, 5 minutes, and for the larger ones about 8 minutes. So we have got over here all the preset options, as well as you can customize from here as well if you want. So for the first time you need to just start it. It will automatically set over here the timer. Next, once you start, it will start off. So over here I've got as I say, some small packs and the mobile, so I think 3 minutes is enough, but if you want you can do it from here. So I'll go about for 3 minutes. Yeah, so we need to start. Wow, looks great, and let's see after that. So we are coming to the end of it, and if you notice one thing over here, there is no sound, absolutely no sound to it. So you can just see there are 2 UV lights over here, one on the left, one on the right, and the design is such that it covers the entire all the products from every side. And so here's the beep, and make sure after the beep the light goes off, then only open it, because exposure to UV light can be fatal. So I'll just open it and take out my products. So now it's all disinfected. So you need not worry whether it's edible or not. So as mentioned in the box, item like your fruit, vegetables, or maybe a mobile, anything. You can put anything over there and it basically disinfects the surface. So if you come to this kind of disinfection system, like few months back no one would have thought about it, but currently after COVID things have changed and people are looking forward to it. And so I got it from Amazon. So you can see over here it's a 30-liter model. So it's a 30-liter model, and there is also available in the 10 liters and the 15 liters model as well. So this was about some 10,499. The link will be given in the description. Please feel free to comment in the section below, and in case you have some queries, do let me know. I'll try to solve as much as possible from my end. And please make sure you read the user manual before operating, and in case you face any issue, immediately contact the Philips customer care. So that's it for now, and we'll come back very soon with one of our other unboxing videos. So till then, take care of yourself and your loved ones, and please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. This is Anirban logging off from Great Unboxing.